Good morning, class 8. Welcome back. So we are in chapter number 11, mensuration. We have discussed the identities, formula to find the areas of different geometrical shapes, trapezium, rhombus, parallelogram, triangle, everything. So today we will solve some questions which are based on those formulae. Exercise 11.2. Pause the video, grab your NCERT textbook, come to exercise 11.2. Question number 5. Diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 cm and 12 cm. Find the area. So you know area of a rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2. What are d1 and d2? The diagonals. Diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Any diagonal can be considered as first, another one as second. So what do we have? Half into d1 7.5, d2 12. Okay, so 2 goes 1 time, 2 goes 6 times, 7.5 into 6, how much? 45 centimeters square. Simple. This is the area of the rhombus. Next question. क्या बोलता है क्वेश्चन? फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ अ rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and altitude is 4.8. Don't get confused. Even rhombus is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D. All the sides are equal in a rhombus. Question says side is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Altitude is 4.8. What is altitude? किसी भी साइड पे ऑपोजिट जो साइड है वहां से उसका परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस. तो D से परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस. दिस इज altitude. It is given as 4.8. It is a parallelogram. Every rhombus is a parallelogram. Every square is a parallelogram. Every rectangle is a parallelogram. Every square is a rhombus, but every rhombus is not a square. क्यों? Rhombus square बनेगा तो vertex angle 90 डिग्री की हो जाएगी. ये पता होना चाहिए आप लोगों को, है ना? Okay, so this is a parallelogram now. Area of parallelogram, base into height. So area equal to base 5 into height 4.8. Altitude, height एक ही बात है. Now 24 centimeter square. This is the area. अब यहां खत्म नहीं हुआ क्वेश्चन. क्या बोलता है? One of its diagonals. If one of its diagonals is 8 centimeter, find another diagonal. So d1 equal to 8 centimeter. d2 नहीं पता. We have to find d2. यही rhombus है. So area remains same. You can find the area on the basis base into height, or you can find the area half into d1 into d2. Area will remain same because we have the same rhombus. Now half into d1 8, d2 we don't know, is equal to area. Area is 24. 2 goes 1 time, 2 goes 4 times. 4 into d2 equal to 24. Yes. Now d2 is equal to 24. This is 4 here. It is being multiplied. When it moves to the other side of equality, it will go in the denominator. 24 divided by 4. How much? 6 centimeter. So the length of second diagonal is 6 centimeters. I hope you got this, children. Chalo. Next question. Question number 9. Octagon. 8 sides. Regular octagon. All sides are equal. अभी डायमेंशन दे रखा है. This is 11 meters. This altitude is 4 meters. Find the area of entire figure. अपन एक काम करते हैं, ये भी बना देते हैं. तो रीजन को नाम दे दो. This region is A. This is B. This is C. A and C are trapeziums. Congruent trapezium. Same dimension के trapeziums. B is a rectangle. So area of this figure in question 9. Area equal to region A plus region B plus region C. अब A and C are identical. So I can do one thing. 2 times region A प्लस बी, राइट। ए और सी सेम है, आइडेंटिकल है, कॉन्ग्रुएंट है शेप्स, सो ए प्लस सी करने की जगह 2 टाइम्स एरिया ए कर लेंगे प्लस रीजन बी। ओके, नाउ 2 into what is A? A is region. It is a trapezium. It is a trapezium. One more dimension should be given. Let me check. One more side should be given. Sum of the opposite sides. It is not provided here. Okay, chapter number 11, mensuration. Exercise 11.2, question number 9. What does the question say? Octagon. Yes, side is given 5 centimeters. This is 5. So each side is 5. Each side is 5. क्यों ये 5 क्यों चाहिए? In trapezium, half into sum of the opposite sides into distance between them. Sum of the opposite parallel sides. Okay, now half into sum of the length of parallel sides. 11 plus 5. How much? 16. Distance between them is given as 4 plus B. B is a rectangle. A 11 and 5. So rectangle is L into B. 11 into 5. 2 cancel with 2. 1 time. 16 into 4, 64 plus 11 into 5, 55. 119 meters square. This is the area of the region. Okay, children. Hope you got it. Let's move on to another question. Question number 10. Pentagon. Dimensions are given. ध्यान दे. This is 15 centimeter. ये राइट एंगल है. यहाँ से यहाँ तक 15 मीटर. टोटल इज 30 मीटर. सो आई डू वन थिंग, इसको ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं. तो रीजन ए ट्राइंगुलर रीजन, रीजन बी स्क्वायर रीजन. स्क्वायर साइड इनटू साइड एरिया निकल जाएगा. ट्राइंगुलर रीजन की बात करते हैं तो बेस इनटू हाइट. इफ दिस इज 15, दिस इज 15, बेस हाइट चाहिए यहां से यहां तक. दिस एंटायर हाइट इज गिवन एज 30. यहां से यहां तक इट इज गिवन एज 15. सो रिमेनिंग दिस हाइट इज हाउ मच? 15. ठीक है. तो रिक्वायर्ड एरिया region A plus region B. Region A is a triangle. Triangle half into base into height. Half into base. Base how much? 15. Height how much? 15. Height be 15 plus B. B is a square. Square का area 15 into 15. Side into side. 15 into 15 225 upon 2 plus 15 into 15 225. Right. Simple काम करो. 225 taken common. 1 by 2 plus 1. So 225 into 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Right, children? 675 upon 2. यहीं पे छोड़ दो या इसको पॉइंट तक लिया. 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6, 15, 2 7 are 14, 1 10, 2 5 are 10 meter square. 337.5 meter square. This is the area of the given region. Remaining questions you will solve it and come up with the doubts.